Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for those who are new, my name is Jojo and welcome to yet another exciting car episode. So this episode is going to be a continuation of the W204 that I did share with you the last time. So if you have not watched that video, I'll link it in the cards above and also in the description box below. Make sure you check it out so that at least you're up to date with what we are going to be discussing in today's episode. We will be showcasing the meticulous process of preparing the car for a fresh paint job and reveal the stunning afterlook. Stick around till the end as we break down the costs involved in this project. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of our automotive adventures. This is where the magic begins. The technicians are hard at work ensuring that every inch of the Mercedes is primed and ready for the paint job. From the meticulous sanding to the precise application of the primer, it's all about creating the perfect canvas for our upcoming transformation. As you will notice, we had to do a color change to the car. When the car came in, it was gray, but now we had to do beige. So the reason is, according to the logbook, the original color of that car is beige, but I think the previous owner changed it to gray, but never did that change on the logbook. So to prevent any issues with the law, we just had to retain the original color that is on the logbook. she is. Our Mercedes Benz has been transformed. Just look at that glossy finish. The attention to detail during paintwork has brought the true elegance of this classic beauty. Wouldn't you agree? A project like this takes so much of your time and effort, but there's also a cost element to it. So let's talk numbers. Let's do a breakdown of all the things that were incurred during this project, so that if you want to work on a salvage, you can be able to get a rough idea of how much it will cost. But keep in mind that some of these prices are going to vary depending on your location, your preferences, and definitely your budget. So the bonnet was 40,000. So I think I'll be reading this part because I had noted down some of these things. So paintwork plus panel beating, that was 60,000. We got the rims and tires, that was 100,000. The door was 20,000. We got the windscreen, buying plus fixing it was 7,000. Moldings came to 40,000. We got the stone guards, 40,000. Mechanical plus labor, that was 50,000. We got the side mirrors, that was 40,000. The bonnet, oh, I did mention the bonnet, that was 40,000. We got the grill, 10,000. The emblem that is put on top of the bonnet, that was 1,500. We got service labor plus parts, that was 30,000. We got shade during when the car was being painted, that was 3,000. And then we got wearing, it was 10,000. And then miscellaneous, that was around 20,000. Remember, I think I didn't mention the cost of the car. So this is a W204. So the year is 2008, and the buying price was 650 Kenyan, no, 650,000 Kenyan shillings. So you can do like a rough estimate plus the costings for everything that I have mentioned, and the total cost of the project. So if you're interested in working on such a project, one thing that you must know is where to source for the parts, because that is usually the biggest hurdle for such kind of a project. Time to reveal the after, but let me take you back and show you how the car looked before immediately it got to the garage, before anything was done to it.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like.
So that is it, guys. This is a behind the scene of working on a salvage car with the cost element factored in. So if you did like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with people that you know enjoy such kind of content, and make sure you hit the red subscribe button below and join the family. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I do upload another video. So if you did enjoy this video, I have a playlist here of other salvage projects that I have worked on, or I have this recent salvage that we did work on. So that is it, guys, from me. Until next time, bye bye.